Hey everybody, so this is going to be a tool haul from Walmart as well as a unboxing that's already been unboxed, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is going to be hopefully not too long a video. A lot of this is paint. I went to Walmart with the intentions of getting stuff for repainting a portion of the frame on my 2005 Ford Excursion I'm rebuilding the motor on. I picked up these sponges. More than likely they're not going to work, but you know, if it works for the time being until I can get what I need in the mail, then you know, so be it. These are just Scotch-Brite Oklo multi-purpose sponges. It's a 3-pack. There's 1 yellow and 2 blue. I picked these up because I needed them for my soldering iron. My soldering iron more than likely will burn through it, but it might help at the moment until I can get the appropriate sponges. Like I said in the previous video, I went to Fry's Electronics and they had diddly squat because they are changing vendors for everything in their store. So their store was bare bone basic. They had more components to build a motherboard, like Schottky diodes, resistors, 8-pin chips, you know, anything you could think of that you know, heat sinks, everything. But they didn't have any of the soldering stuff I needed. I needed a solder sucker and some desoldering braided cable and a few other items. They didn't have anything. So I was at Walmart. I picked these up. I figured, you know, it's better than nothing. I picked up 2 of these cans of Krylon Color Master paint plus primer gloss burgundy. I'm going to be spraying the mount bracket that holds the shocks on the Ford Excursion, this burgundy color, to offset it from the frame itself. I got 2 cans. More than likely I'm not going to need them, but you know, future use, you know, whatever I need them for: wood, metal, plastic, and more. No runs, no drips, no errors. 25% more. They were only for something, I think $482 or something like that. I picked up 2 right here. I picked up a small can of gloss protective enamel from Rust-Oleum. I kind of removed a lot of the paint off of the frame, right where the shock as well as the steering box mounts to. And I also, because I had cleaned that entire side when I took the rim and tire off, I also did the exact same thing on the other side. I totally spaced it. They're starting to become surface rust. Yes, I live in Arizona, and yes, we do get rust. So I picked this up. This one's the gloss formula. I might not be using that one. I don't know yet. It just depends. I picked up WD-40 Specialist Water Resistant Silicone Lubricant because I have one, and for some reason the can is completely rusted right here at the top, and when you spray it comes out of here as well as out of the button. So I picked up another can, and I figured, you know, what I could do, I don't know if it would work, but I'm going to be getting one of those pressurized canisters that hold like 32 ounces. I figured I could take what's left of that can, spray it into that canister, close it, and then put, you know, compressed air in it. Maybe I could get the same concept out of it without the leaks, but I haven't picked that up yet. I picked up also WD-40 Specialist Spray and Stay Gel Lubricant, no drip formula. And this was only like $3, and these were like $2.50 a piece, something like that. I also picked up Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel, 15-minute fast dry, any angle spray, tough enough for industrial applications. A lot of places online stated that this stuff right here is good for helping eliminate rust. And I'm probably not going to spray it on the rust. I'm probably just going to get the surface rust off with, you know, a abrasive wheel or a wire wheel. But I picked this up. It's black. I'm not sure if it's matte or if it's gloss. It doesn't really say. And, you know, I would assume it is matte because that one's gloss, but this one doesn't even say. It just says black. So, I'm not sure. I picked this up. This was like $5.90 something. I picked up the gray version, which is kind of the metallic-y metal flake gray version, if that is correct. It is the same thing, high performance enamel. Figure out which one I like. You know, I also picked up the Rust-Oleum Professional Primer. Add twice the protection to bare metal previously painted or sound rusted surfaces. And all three of those were like $5.98. I picked up a big bottle of mineral spirits for cleaning as well as thinning oils and oil-based paints. I picked up 4 of these cans because this is also recommended. Oh, I picked up 3 white and 1 black. I'm gonna have to take some of these back to the store. I didn't want white. So 3 of them have to go back. These are oil-based, superior durability, premium quality, it stops rust. These are also recommended for truck frames. They were on sale for $7 at Walmart. I wasn't going to pass them up. I got 4. I didn't realize that 3 of them were white and 1 was black. So I think what I'll do is I'll just go buy 2 blacks, and instead of taking those back, you know, it's never going to hurt to have extras. And that's what I bought the mineral spirits for. I also picked up Will Smith's movie Gemini Man. I'm also a Gemini, so I figured, you know, it's supposed to be a good movie. And I also picked up the Joaquin Phoenix's Robert De Niro Joker. I really wanted to see this. I've heard it's an amazing movie. So that's everything I picked up. I think everything here was $151 exactly. Again, if you guys see these at your store and you guys want to paint your frame, this stuff is, from everything I've been reading, it is the best that you could get. A lot of people have had about 8 to 10 years worth of coat on this. No issues, including off-road vehicles and constant rock hitting. So it's for $7 instead of, I think, the like $20-something a can. It's a heck of a deal. And I bought the gloss burgundy because I want to offset the frame from the actual shock mounts to make it look a little stand out. There's a lot of other items on the Ford that are red under the truck, so it will go with whatever else I've painted red, because the truck is black and red. The outer casing, the truck itself is black, and I have chrome and black rims with chrome mirrors, and then I have dark tinted brake lights and dark tinted headlights with HIDs. They're blue, and then a few items underneath the truck are red. So my new sway bars are actually gray and red. So but I figured red and black, you can't go wrong. I appreciate your guys' time. This is everything I picked up for $150. It is actually about $60 for all of the paint and everything. And the movies were $30 a piece. And then, you know, there was a couple other items that were picked up that I didn't put in here, household items. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Comments, criticisms down below. Hopefully I'll get to the project soon. I'm more likely going to be using Milwaukee tools to do the buffing and everything and getting it clean again. I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate your time. Peace.